Kolya, my dearest. I am so happy to tell you that you are now a father. Our girl is the most beautiful little angel you could ever imagine. And everyone says
Дорогая Машенька, such excellent news. I'm happier than words can convey, and I'm looking forward
Your
to...
mother arrived yesterday. You will probably get a letter from her any day now, telling you about all the things she thinks I should do differently. But you know her.
Don't mind Mother. She's just set in her ways, just like Uncle Vladimir. He is a wary commander, and I fear he cares too much for the men. I care for them too, but we are fighting a war and sacrifice.
I'm so proud of you, my love. They say that we will have victory soon. I look forward to having you home, and safe, and raising our daughter together in this new world which you are shaping.
We should name her Anastasia. Or maybe Nadezhda. That would make Mother happy. Take care, Mashenka. All of you. Love, Nikolai.
As the Red Army continues to sweep through Europe, NATO is reeling. It won't be long before the tenuous alliance unravels and the people rise up in protest against their corrupt governments and the communist ideas.
After weeks of bitter fighting in Europe, it was clear that we weren't losing. But we weren't winning either. Except for France, NATO forces were as unable to push back the front as we were to push it forward. The generals, being quite fond of their own lives, desperately sought a solution to the stalemate, and finally one was found. A strike force would be sent to the Norwegian coast to destroy the anti-air defenses there and open up a corridor for our bombers to fly through. Colonel Arlovsky was chosen to lead this strike, and Captain Malashchenko is ready to burst with pride over the mission. But the rest of us were just happy to get out of the meat grinder that Germany had become.
Execute turn on my mark. This is Sokol. Weapons free. I repeat, weapons free.
Sokol 1 to Romanov. Force a breach and destroy that radar. We cannot reinforce until it is disabled.
Enemy destroyed.
Our ultimate goal is the command center hidden in the mountain. But we have to secure the surrounding area before we move in, especially the outer anti-air defenses. Take good care of your men, Comrade Lieutenant. They're all you have until that radar is down. Sokol 1 out.
Jackal going Sokol 1. We suffered radar damage on the way in, and I have beached the aircraft north of a small village. Request link-up. Priom.
Sokol 1 to Shakal. Have the men you carried take up defensive positions. We'll get to you as soon as we can.
Understood, Sokol 1. We'll try to pin them off. Shakal out.
Our track rolling. Destination, our
The objective is the radar, Romanov. We cannot call in reinforcements until you have destroyed it.
on the move. What are arms? Yes. Armed aye. Ready for fire
We have breached the first perimeter. Remaining forces will push forward as soon as you move toward the radar, Romanov.
Malashchenko here. We'll soon be in control of the beach. Norwegian forces are slowly retreating. They haven't offered much resistance so far.
Do not get overconfident, Captain. These are experienced cold weather fighters we're facing, and they know the lay of the land.
They don't seem very experienced to me. Pitiful rabble, like all NATO forces. Slabaki. Malashchenko out.
Armor on the move. Load an anti-personnel round. Loading an anti-personnel round. Medium armor is attacking now. We've armor on the move. Fixing vehicle. Tоварищ командир, armor on the move. Heading initiating the situation here. Enemy destroyed. Armored armor.
Excellent, Lieutenant. The radar is down, and we have established contact with our comrades in the Air Force. Further reinforcements can now be brought in.
Hey, we're moving up. Move.
We have the beach secured, but one of the chronoplanes was forced to land further north. I want you to clear a route through the village and link up with them, Romanov. The Norwegians have that village well fortified. Use available fire support and hit them hard. Timing is the key. Romanov, the Air Force will be supporting us throughout this mission. Sokol 1 to Maloshenko. You are to move northeast through the ravine while Romanov assaults the village.
Говорит Малашенко. Moving northeast now, Comrade Colonel.
Excellent. We can count on the Norwegians bringing reinforcements into the area soon. Speed is of the essence. We cannot win a prolonged fight. So go on out.
Охотники reporting hostile casualties.
Attacking us.
Малашенко на связи. Any word from our comrades at the Fulda gap?
None yet, but I am sure we will learn about their fate within a few hours.
I'm sure they will be victorious. None can stand against us. Maloshenko out.
Repair starting.
Yeah, Shaka. What is the status of those reinforcements? Priom.
They are moving to you now. Expect link up soon. So go on, out.
This is Охотник. Targeting enemy tanks.
There is armor move. Roll out, roll out.
Attack completed. I hit some hostiles. Охотник out.
APC is returning fire. Incoming fire. Now! Be engaged. We should move hostile target, soldier. Fire an 85 at the target. Do you... Yes, rolling. What are your next orders, Vice Commander? Target eliminated.
Affirmative. Anti-tank strike is inbound. Out. Acknowledged. Hunting for tanks. Охотник out.
Your armor roll initiating field repairs. Hey! Repair vehicle ready.
Охотник here reporting hostile
Armor
casualties.
on the move. What are your next orders?
I attack the area as ordered. Returning to base. Over.
Armor on the move. Armor, hey!
We're making good progress, Lieutenant. Watch out for enemy fortifications. Maloshenko, report.
We are holding at the mouth of the ravine. Only light resistance so far.
We caught them off guard, but they will rally soon enough. Stay vigilant. Sokol 1, out.
Target defeated. Neutralize that target. Target kill. Engaging. Your order. Reverse. Yes. Neutralize the repair vehicle on the roll. Fixing vehicle. Enemy destroyed. We should move the BMP-2. Give us a rolling. Fixing this machine now. Medium armor. Ready for command. Under. Yes. We got a situation here. They are attacking us.
Охотник here. I'm going to hunt for hostile tanks.
Where can we
Over.
heading out? Attacking us now. Repair started. Fixing vehicle. Initiating field. Repair started. Fixing vehicle.
Enemy kills confirmed.
Defeated.
Returning to base. Over.
APC here. Heading out now. We're repairing ourselves now. What should we do? Under attack. Target acquired. Attacking. Fire missile down. Enemy destroyed. Must engage. Armor driving target is defeated. Do you going to the destination? Initiating field repair. Armor rolling. We've got a hostile targeted.
Almost there, Romanov. Keep pushing.
Говорит Малашенко. What is the status of the stray chronoplane?
They are holding, but won't be able to do so for much longer without your help.
Maybe if they learned to navigate in the first place, we wouldn't be in this mess.
We are lucky the landing went as smooth as it did, Marashenko. Good, the way is clear. Link up with Shakal by the beach.
Don't forget to watch your rear, Romanov. More Norwegian forces are moving toward you.
Da, you must hold them at bay, Lieutenant.
This is Shakal. It is exceedingly good to see you, comrades.
Sokol 1 here. We don't leave our own to suffer, Shakal. On that you can rest assured. The Norwegians are renewing their attack, Lieutenant. Dig in around the aircraft and hold. Malashenko will attack them from the south. That should draw off their forces eventually.
Malashenko na связи. I see Norwegian forces moving toward the second beachhead. We're engaging at long range, but holding in place.
Very good, Captain. As soon as Romanov has secured and fortified the area, we'll continue the attack inland. Norwegian infantry is attacking through the forest. Call in napalm strikes to expose and neutralize them.
Говорит Malashenko, we just fought off a determined attack here. We have to move soon or we'll lose the initiative.
You are right. We will move as soon as Romanov has secured that beachhead.
Baron here. Napalm mission.
Sokol 1 here. The second beachhead is secured. We can now carry on with our primary mission. I'm reinforcing you with some heavy ammo, Romanov. Your next task is to take control of the surface-to-air missile batteries located on the hills to the east. Speed is of the essence, comrade. Right now, we are extremely vulnerable to enemy air attacks.
Armor, driving, move. Driving, move.
Norwegian fighter bombers are moving toward us this very minute, Romanov. If you can secure those missiles swiftly, we might escape their wrath.
We got the target.
Romanov, we have to secure both the radar and the missiles. So you will have to split up your forces and coordinate your attack.
Armor on target eliminated. Enemy killed. We should hold the vehicle. Give us orders. Preparing ourselves.
Affirmative. Anti-tank strike is inbound. Out.
We can break through their lines. Yes, rolling. Enemy destroyed. Repairing target.
LSS completed. I hit some hostiles. Watching out.
Target killed. What is driving? Enemy destroyed. Yes, there is road and road. Our tracks are steady. Enemy destroyed.
Be aware. Napalm is on the way. Baron out.
Look, are rolling. Enemy destroyed. Armor on the move. They are attacking us. Target eliminated. Armor engage the enemy. Getting for the position. Yes, Tоварищ Командир. Starting self-repairs. Target eliminated. They are attacking us.
Target area is burned. The napalm. Baron
eliminated.
napalm strike was on the mark.
Enemy killed. Neutralize the enemy. We're in battle with the enemy.
Hostile gas is
Hostile
confirmed.
engaged.
Baron returning to base.
We're move. We are repairing the target. What should we do? Attack that target. Get that to rolling. Hostile targeted. Enemy destroyed.
Sokol 1 here. The first wave of enemy bombers is but a minute out. We need control of those surface-to-air missiles.
Medium tank here.
Sokol 1 here. Well done, Roman. We have control of the missiles and the radar. The Norwegian fighters are veering off. Now they will have to come at us over land.
Initiating field repairs.
You saved us from certain harm, Romanov. Again and again, you prove your worth. There is no time for rest. The Norwegians are preparing a counterattack on your position, Romanov. You must defend at all costs. The Air Force has a new experimental bomb they wish to test. They have several flights ready to deliver this ordnance on your target coordinates. Use it to fight off the enemy and deny them cover.
Malashenko here. You will need that bomb, Romanov. I see several companies worth of infantry advancing toward you.
Repairing our comrade.
Kamchatka here. Clear the target area. Yeah, Kamchatka. We are inbound.
They are coming at you from the south, Romano.
Bomb deployed as ordered.
Enemy units moving in from the west.
Want us to repair something? Art, roll out.
This is Kamchatka.
You are hurting them, Lieutenant. Keep it up.
Area burning. Out. Strike completed. Kamchatka out.
Recovery vehicle available for repairs.
The Norwegians are renewing their attack from the east.
We are repairing the targets. Target eliminated. Repair vehicle ready. Hostile
Incendiary
defeated.
bomb working.
The Norwegian attack will soon be spent.
Clear the target area. This is Kamchatka. Coordinates received. This is Kamchatka. Shortly with the complete.
Hold on, Lieutenant. It won't be much longer.
Where can we assist? Repairing this machine now. What are your next orders? Launching this from now. Launching 84.
Enemy
From
on the
the
left. Chaka out.
Keep removing the enemy destination. Repair more right. Neutralize the enemy.
Kamchatka here. Clear the target area. Yeah, Kamchatka. We are
Enemy
inbound.
destroyed. Watch out.
This is Kamchatka. Shortly with a complete success. Out. Incendiary bomb performing above expectations. Chaka out.
Hostile
This is
defeated.
Kamchatka.
Repairing our
Shortly with a
vehicle.
complete success. Out.
Target eliminated.
This is Kamchatka. Coordinates received.
Armor under attack. Target killed.
Target bathed in flames. Kamchatka out. Covery, Kamchatka. Become bearing fire.
Sokol 1 here. The attacks are ceasing. Well defended, Romano. Our comrades in the Air Force thank you for your assistance in battle testing the new bomb. It was a complete success.
Starting repairs now. Repairing our comrade.
Now, take your forces to the main base entrance and secure it. We will send in the engineers as soon as the area is deemed safe enough.
Is dead. Tоварищ командир, we're moving out now.
Captain Malashenko, you are responsible for the SAM launchers. Get your troops into position as soon as Romanov has started moving toward the entrance.
Consider it done, Sokol 1. Malashenko out.
Recovery vehicle. Yes,
We're close, but stay focused on the task at hand. Only when the base has been destroyed can we return to the beaches and then hold.
starting repairs now. Repairing our comrade. Starting repairs now.
Enemy helicopters have been sighted in the area, Romano. You might need anti-air support.
Yes, roll out.
Strike mission received. Cluster bombs are armed. Out. Closing in on the designated strike zone. Expect me any second now.
Driving. Yes, товарищ командир. Moving.
Hostiles are there. Maneuver out.
There is the entrance. Neutralize the defenses and move into position, Romano.
Enemy killed. Meet armor move. Roll out. Armor, our track, move. Roll driving. Move. Tоварищ командир, coming fire. Watch out. Firing at the enemy. We're moving up now.
Well done, Romano. You've gotten a foothold. Now keep pushing.
Keep engaged. Armored transport heading out. Heading. Hey! Yes! Stop! Target killed. Hostile defeated. We are engaged.
Silka, need to come up now.
Target eliminated. Neutralize.
You have the entrance. Dig in and get some fortifications up, Lieutenant. The engineers will need time to get all the explosives in place.
Give us some orders. Heading out now. Give us moving. Hey! We are repairing our core. Starting repairs. We're repairing the rollout. We got the target. Товарищ командир. Target eliminated. They are attacking us.
Excellent, Lieutenant. The engineers have moved inside.
Cluster bombs are out.
You must hold in place until our engineers have finished placing the demolitions. The Norwegians will throw everything they have at you, but you must not let them through. Understood? Sokol 1, out.
Малашенко на связи. My scouts report large enemy troop movements near the base entrance. You have a real fight on your hands, товарищ.
Initiating field repairs. Defeated. Товарищ командир.
Check the coordinates. We will move to deposit drive to the coordinates. Moving to setup. We are leaving. Drive to the coordinates.
You are track. Repair started. Fixing vehicle.
As soon as we are done here, we will return home.
We will move to that position. Defeated. Enemy destroyed.
Napalm is primed and inbound.
Sokol 1 to Malashenko. Report.
Говорит Малашенко. It's rather calm around here. Sporadic attacks, but nothing serious.
They are concentrating their attacks on Romanov and the base entrance. I will call on you to support them if needed.
Understood, Comrade Colonel.
Napalm delivered.
Romanov, burn the forest around you to deny the Norwegians cover and concealment.
Fixing vehicle. The enemy. Target. Tоварищ командир. Distant armor on the move. Target initiating field repairs.
Only a few minutes more, Lieutenant.
Target eliminated.
Affirmative. Heading for the strike zone. Are you allowed?
We're engaged. Target killed. Our tracks are still heading. Enemy We're repairing the target. Repair.
Sokol 1 to Romanov. The engineers report that half of the explosives are in place.
Order received. Hostiles neutralized in the strike
The
zone.
enemy. Where can we assist? Fixing vehicle defeated. Repair started.
You are doing well, Romanov. Hold them off.
Enemy destroyed. Napalm is burning the enemy as we speak.
Товарищ командир. Минимально. Ready for gas.
Yeah, Sokol 1. The engineers are finishing up now, Romanov. It won't be much longer.
Eliminated. Our tracks are steady. Starting repair. We're repairing the target. Repair started. We wrecked the vehicle. Target ready to receive. Initiating field repair. Fixing vehicle. Incoming fire. Repair started. Initiating field repairs.
The engineers have cleared the entrance. Detonation in 3, 2, 1, mark.
Medium tank here.
Sokol 1 here. The command center has been destroyed. A flight has been sent to bomb the oil platforms offshore. Excellent job, everyone. But I'm afraid I also have some grave news.
Малашенко here. What news?
Seems NATO has been doing some raiding as well. Tell your men to return to the aircraft. Officers debrief by the main beachhead in 20 minutes. I will tell you more then. Sokol 1, out.